Welcome back to CodeChef. Have you ever searched for a word inside a long paragraph? Like checking if your name appears in a list, or finding where the word Java starts in a sentence? In Java, you can do that too, using string search methods like indexOf, contains, and startsWith. Think of a string like a bookshelf full of books. You might want to check, is there a book titled Java? That's contains. Or where exactly is that book placed? That's indexOf. Or maybe you just want to see if the first book starts with Java programming. That starts with. In Java, these methods make searching inside text easy. The indexOf method tells you the position where a word or letter first appears. The contains method checks if a substring exists at all, returning true or false. And startsWith checks whether the string begins with a specific sequence of characters. Let's see how this works step by step. If we have, then Java runs it like this. indexOf Java finds the starting position of Java. That's 9. Contains fun, checks if fun is present, true. And startsWith learn, checks if the string begins with learn, also true. A few quick tips. You can use indexOf on with a starting index to skip earlier parts of a string. Use lastIndexOf if you need to find the last occurrence of something. And startsWith can take an offset to check from a specific position. Now it's your turn. Try the CodeChef problem called String Search Practice. You'll search for words, find their positions, and check prefixes using these string methods. Today, you learned 3 powerful string search methods. indexOf tells you where something appears, contains tells you if it appears, and startsWith tells you how your string begins. They make searching and filtering text in Java simple and efficient. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.